It was on that same platform that ladies see, and the whole of them jump up and start cussing, say, "Oh, we are liar than the people them not in a war and blah 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 and blah blah blah." And look at it now.
People like Lady C, her opinion don't matter. The real people know we're not liars out here. Okay?
Everybody have to apologize to, because at the end of the day, we don't tell lies. We don't tell lies. And see there, without telling about the money lending and something there, and sit down, come out, come shout out. But me send you pitney them bangle. No, Dan, no, say Tanya na run joke when they come to our pitney, you know. That's why she lick Tanya with it hurt and say, me send you pitney them bangle. Me send you pitney them bangle. Wait, this
Most
a
of what
lady,
we hear out of Dan mouth so
yeah,
far and
but this
Colleen.
is a lady when knows the people always at the Tanya na no money and Tanya beg Drew and Drew send things to the pitney them. Why would you come out and say, me send your pitney them bangle? You obviously want to start the war. So it now she a make Tanya, she come out and say, Tanya, me not make me talk out the things them, you know. Let me send you a pitney bangle. Me know Tanya right now, I catch she head. And I said, she come really talk, say, she send me pitney bangle.
Probably that's why Tanya sent her a chain set, you know? Exchange.
Listen, she said she sent Tanya pitney bangle. Like
Yeah, she did.
that utter, that utter. Yeah, but you know, I get annoyed now.
Yeah, Tanya want cuss we because we repeat something that was told to us. But our
Exactly.
bestie wants to Donna come tell the whole world so she buy her pitney them bangle and she want them back. Cause she has sent back Tanya sitting them.
Tanya, I will come out and come to explain to the people them all that God. How
Yeah,
she have
Tanya,
people
remember
and
that
send
you
her
put
pitney
we
them
find them.
bangle.
Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yabba dabba doo.
Paul, big up yourself, my friend. Like, we the people them are go on know. If people come out and come and them send people pitney this and that and that, but I mean, Dawn know exactly what she do when she repeat the part there, because she has showed and I said, listen, I have your file out here, I'm going to give,
I'm gonna touch your kids.
yeah, I'm going to give the people them things to run with now, so the whole of we can run with, say,
Hey,
Dawn, I give
Paul,
Tanya.
go there.
You don't know.
Yeah, when I've been listening to this sitting them good.
I'm not time to listen to nobody, me there and I'm stress. I look up
No,
people in my ear.
me in my mind, but them take me out
Yep.
there a little bit.
That's crazy.
Yep, yep, yep,
Yeah,
yep.
I heard the lie.
Why
Yeah,
split justice,
girl.
you know, more seriety, no miss you.
So Tanya, I forgot to and tell the people them why is it that every time somebody not get up, them can tell her say them I give the kids them things. See that I'm just sitting there that say sometimes you have to meet stranger and make stranger do nothing to your children.
Yeah, but then she will just take stuff for herself and
Yeah,
not her
yeah.
kids.
Yes, I want narrow left.
Cause now the whole world I run with it now. Everybody in my inbox, Donna mine Tanya pick me. Me I
I
say,
was
yeah,
sleeping and I wake up to a whole bunch of sitting.
Dari, Donna mine Tanya pick me, Donna mine Tanya pick me. I say what the bomber clot are going here, so. Come live, come live, come live. Come live. We want hear about it. See that work me did forget me not keep I work for sure so me ever go careless. Careless will always come first in my DNA, but right now I go through a little thing. So I have to bear with me if I not seem like the energized as me normally is. What did this make me happy company live. Jacano, you know your surrender dead. Yeah man, this did make me have to come out. The people them want to know. I remember say Kandy not really have an occupation, you know, so Kandy occupation have to make the people them know. So
Not really. Me do have an occupation, and it's minding people's bumper clock business. Because I am getting paid to mind people's business.
the first thing we're going wrong in this whole thing, Kandy. First thing we're going wrong in this, I went Bigfoot, when Footer Hype go call out Tanya. Because Tanya did the on bed rest like Sleeping Beauty, you know. And Footer Hype go call her out. And from Footer Hype call out Tanya to blood clot. I know if me never see Tanya throwing a word for Dan, but
Nope, she didn't.
me.
She started on her story after the car leaves sitting. Yeah.
Tanya, her nerve car. Yeah, she said behind closed door, Tanya say, she will come talk about what she gear. So Dan just come bust it before Tanya bust it. Cause a lot of people might not know, you know. But Tanya, they might seem like them behind the closed door, but trust me, they're here. So unless, I'm glad to Tanya, I get down a TSA or medicine because when you tell Tanya to leave you alone, but remember when we come for your life and tell us say, Tanya them to leave my friend them alone, you jump up and say, even the kids situation, you say Brassy forget it, our kids them forget it.
And she walk hand in hand with Tanya, like them a walk go
Exactly,
down
I
the
give it
aisles.
dirt.
Like
So
them a go
why
say
you
hi
cry
do.
now? Don't cry now.
That's why I want Tanya mother her up.
That's why I
Don't,
want Tanya rubber.
don't cry now. Just take fair share. Cause see there now, a woman gone for her resting and up on her vacation and Bigfoot Footer Hype come call out the woman. Bigfoot Footer Hype is the reason why Tanya come back out now. And Bigfoot Footer Hype call out. Oh, our next thing we want clear up. Nicole post up something and say I post me a talk about. Everybody knows say a Bigfoot Footer Hype me a talk about pandat. So I just want to clear up the little part there to make the public know say a Bigfoot Footer Hype me that talk. It wasn't posted. So please guys, if you're not gonna post something about me, just tell the truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth. And I want the people them feel like say if me I talk about puss, I call puss name because I'm fully bad. But
Right, bro.
back to the story. Footer Hype go get Footer Hype go all the way go call out Tanya. And from Footer Hype go call out Tanya to blood cleat. I just everywhere is war.
Well, this a warrior me want to see. Sorry. Thank God. Me not like the way she come out, but me glad she out here because me want she put that in her place.
Don't forget you. I'm not help Don.
She a look help from Annie, Puss and Erica. But Puss and Erica went right, you know. Like, bitch, go call Colleen. Like, you know, see Puss and Erica over here anger them can't. Them not have no time for you. Go call your donkey face Colleen and understand.
She need to leave. She need to leave Master Splinter because Master Splinter get one job now and I try to take
No,
herself out of
as
the job.
she need to go call as she started. She boots up down and started. She need to go get she. Stop call other people name. Stop go on Destiny Lifetime can't save you. You're mix up. You're all mixed up, but you don't want no problem. You should tell your friend that when before you come start bust shot pan a girl.
Mm-hmm.
And I come tell you about your gear $100 tie cartel $1,000. Like, go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Like a little 100 US and nothing to the £100.
I never know about that.
You know, watch nothing. You just watch a little funny part of video and tap watch.
Yeah, because I don't really care about them.
Me not cater either, but actually me cater. Me want to go down. Take that back. And my money the Tanya. So I only know that over here so right now. And bitch, you better not disappoint me if you come out.
Why? She just a beat But I mean, I know if you come out strong.
But if we can go there if you want. Shouldn't have no upon Tanya. Dan just mad because she's a slut. And Tanya went to Jamaica and find man and she never find no side man for fuck. Make she go away.
But not that need I say na camera see her body stay better than Tanya one.
Yeah, and Tanya get man and she not get none. And we all know that she a married whore. Not whore, take that back. She ain't getting paid. Married slut.
Oh God. Remember, so we are the hypocrite host them, you know.
I don't give a shit. Me never trouble that woman. She
None
too
of us
numb.
did. None of us did. And
Yeah,
she
right
buy
next
out
to
the war.
Mumsel. Because hoes
She
get
said,
paid. Sluts
she
down.
said, no, I'm in a bad baby. Me still not my sadness. She jump up and say, everything that little blood clot girl diary say a truth and nothing but the truth. But guess what? Tanya full with friends, so we're gonna buy out the war full 100. Well done. We are not your friends, so we not buy out no war. We just sit down and watch and name we cup you though.
Yeah, me have my popcorn over here sir, already. I'm ready for your segment there.
Because Dan, you come out, come talk about Tanya Pitney, say buy Tanya Pitney bango. I give her $100 out of cartel money, so remember, so Tanya, when Tanya come, Tanya will come.
But even if you buy our kids and bangles, soon even come talk that.
That me a tell her.
And the way them go on over the kids, them, you say them a hypocrite, them a full on hypocrite.
You know why
And them
people
go on over the
that
kids and
thing
Tanya
because
kids them and Tanya kids them. But you still you come out, you come talk. Where you buy Tanya kids them?
But Brassy, you have a RT after them put up fear pitney them and want beat them with belt.
No, but the truth is the truth. Like,
Me
whether
know,
you
but
hate
never
them or
start the
not.
truth.
Yeah.
I remember so them going over Tanya kids them, and
Me
like
too,
Tanya
mom,
kids them more than anybody else kids them.
Mm-hmm.
I know you come out, come talk to Tanya. I the bango. You buy the bango for Tanya picking them.
But she need to stop because you know Tanya gonna come bust it, so she give her money for bury. Oh, me shut up my mouth.
We bury our brother. Yes. But she give Tanya $100. Tanya send her money to, but she not tell how much Tanya send her. And we know England pound, not strong, it's strong. Strong.
Mm-hmm.
Not only that, she did plan up. So she come conjure that.
That me a tell her.
And the way them go on over the kids them. You say them a hypocrite, them a full on hypocrite.
You know why
And them
people
go on over
always
the
that
kids and
thing
Tanya kids them and Tanya kids them. But you still you come out, you come talk.
after them put up fear pitney them and want beat them with belt.
No, but the truth is the truth. Like,
Me
whether
know,
you
but
hate
never
them or
start the
not.
truth.
Yeah.
I remember so them go on over Tanya kids them, and like Tanya kids them more than anybody else kids them. I know you come out, come talk to Tanya. I the bango. You buy the bango for Tanya picking them.
But she need to stop because you know Tanya gonna come bust it, so she give her money for bury. Oh, me shut up my mouth.
We bury our brother. Yes. But she give Tanya $100. Tanya send her money to, but she not tell how much Tanya send her. And we know England pound, not strong, it's strong. Strong.
Not only that, she did plan up. So she come conjure. So all that Tanya come bust out too.
But from that the convice notes in the whole world this year done when they push it, not Tanya. Bad to bad.
Tanya need to stop make people run her head. Every time she learn a one crew, people run her head.
Murder she wrote.
Tanya need to go build a crew.
Lord, Tanya this attack. Mumsel, what the blood clean. Mumsel, away you know about the people there. Mumsel said Tanya give more and no more. Hear that? Rotty.
Mumsel
I fuck, she a chat. Mumsel is not Tanya. I see that page there everywhere. Hey, Destiny.
Yeah,
Destiny
Mumsel
don't
is
make
not
that
Tanya.
all man mix your Destiny. She love mix up. And she started with Tanya. I want Tanya come post it on her.
Vote.
Well,
On a vote for my
When we go
story.
vote, make us see who I go win.
Yes, Tanya do more wickedness.
That was done, and Tanya go come tell we. Oh, it really go.
And then, remember said little whistling birdie tell me, you know, said Dana say, oh, Tanya take down sick of Jamaica, you know, and she mentally ill for true. So all of them something they
Why you
ear.
play peacemaker?
Oh, no,
You know, when you start, nobody can tell you if you done it. Leave the people for.
If Tanya ever rub down a hospital and pick
everybody
up down.
remember forgot.
Mumzela, oh, you know the people in business. So.
Remember to follow Destiny's YouTube
Oh, no, go vote. People vote.
Me tell Destiny long time for doing YouTube.
Me not think them.
I think them all come to each other.
It's going to happen one day. Maybe not right when we want it, but it's going to happen.
Don just bust out one big city yesterday, like one thing. She had to play with her. She said she
You can't stay there. If you think that Tanya nah rub, you not dreaming of a lifetime. Tanya go take us. Hey, when Tanya done with
Donald put up status about evil people and this and that at show shade from Tanya. Yes. On the gospel sexy Dan page. Sexy Dan. That not the fan page. She not stop show shade pan woman. Tanya don't listen to Destiny, yeah. Come bust it up on the old bitch.
she bust it up yesterday, Saturday. But for now, everybody must follow still. But I one of them one day.
Well, me know what Dan did I do. Dan did I try friend the whole way behind closed doors so we can't come. But it tell
Me say when after me come off when me watch you live that me say me catch you rate now. No wonder why she when they try to fuck his friend up. I send message for people and then I deny it. Like everything is all the puzzle pieces are putting together.
Kandy, when me talk, please allow me to talk to Tuffy for recruit. We are not.
Hey!
Drop another piece I say and I have nothing to say.
Brush me now, cause you know brush, cause you make me get the clip. But you see, if you continue to come, brush, me go rub you.
Who says so?
Dan.
Dan says so.
Yeah. Good why she says no about the whole funeral thing and she go rub me.
Hey, Dan says she not cuss with. Dan says she not cuss with. Tanya says she not cuss with. So we allow them.
Me know, me see that part there. Cause if Destiny will make she ever listen more at judgment. Anyways, Tanya, me go put up the live so you can see it, yeah, girl. Me know you over here.
Hey.
Me go put up the whole clip, girl. Me put that over
Episode
YouTube.
2, season 1. Hey. Elizabeth, you're on my page.
All I got
yeah,
to
but
say, watch out, hold on. Gorgeous Carly, come tell me how it go, cause you're a part of Team Red Boot, you know. We know you're
Elizabeth,
beat.
you're on my page.
No, she's not on your page, Brashy. Oh my God, leave the people them alone now. She not up on your page, I can't top.
No, I never put up nothing but secret and lies. But Brashy's been talking about the episodes. Of course, everybody know the name of the episode them.
That
Me put up
right up on me something.
this is episode yeah for the lies and I mean what you call secret and lies. This is one I call lies and betrayal. This is episode yeah
Oh,
we're
I'm not
going.
on your page. Okay.
I could have swear Miss Magawaga TV post up something about secret and lies.
Me post up about secret and lies
Me
episode.
put up lies and
episode.
betrayal.
Oh. Well, every day I talk
But
about secret
Brash
and
always a talk about that from last week.
Elizabeth always up on my life. Always.
Okay.
I'm not follow your Brash, you do live?
Loyalty have an expiration date for lady. Never forget that. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't protect live. So,
It is twice. First on her live where Tanya live there in a capital letters. Then couple days or a week later, them go over Destiny live with it. I bust it up on the gal and her man. Yeah, we ain't fucking lying. It's
please leave me alone. Leave me alone. All right. No, I have to pay Jesus. I'm gonna see how today go and then I'm gonna start clean up the platform again.
I don't want them send my baby father send me in a mix up, please. Oh, I want mumzele no.
stop read out the girl comment so them a watch the comment now.
Okay.
Well, if them really smart over here know our baby father for real.
Okay.
Listen, everybody I chat about. Only need to understand, say, a Dawn, all right. You see, Dawn, she pull a bit. It's a big foot though. Dawn do it. Dawn, they behind closed door and complain to her friend Colleen, and Colleen rush out. Trust me, that happen.
Of course, them did their chat. That's why Colleen come
so,
say that.
Yes, it's like you're in a closed door, act like a victim, and say, oh, this a person I fuck with me, and then you know the Lord.
Man said she a go call Annie.
Nah, we friend will run out. But we have to remember,
Me not
so the
care.
truth,
That's why she figure call
evil.
Mad, you know, so them interfere with the business, tick, 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 tick. With them in my business, destiny, them go research me name, find out which school me go to Jamaica. No, hell no, I mean, with none of them, but me want Tanya bring down Dirty Dawn. That
yeah, so when I listen to the clip, she said,
me can't understand getting mad at us, even though she has no right. But Dawn, no. As she started, then
leave me alone. Tanya, me come on for the live them, and she start to make trouble behind my box. So start to, and them the part no she yeah.
Research my name, go this sitting down. Jamaica, miss like me care, like I ain't hiding from none of these bitches. You stay the destiny.
They're not rinse out and done. So no matter what happen now.
Maddie uniform, and we talk about it. We want it back.
She said she want back.
Tanya want back for her sitting them.
Like I say, like should I said, leave Destiny out
So
and
she a try to pull Destiny. Like she need to leave Destiny alone. I'm in a business with Destiny want to type up in the comments.
Address.
And leave Annie out of
oh,
it.
look, Don. I don't really want she get
No, she acts
out.
like she's young and she's
Please, I'm sorry. I'm spend this and that for the damn $1 a rotisserie chicken. What you mean? What happened? Me and the ear Dan come out. I attempted to rob Tanya and tell Destiny to tell to leave her alone, and she called Anya everybody name Chushu and send out her when cartel PR for her body part over lava when she stripped naked like the old whore she be. Oh sorry Dan, my name is I forgot to say me now no more. And she send one back send bangle go give Tanya pitney there, but must send bangle and chain. So I guess the chain and the bangle with the baby Havana are done by. I would have take them off of my pitney, you see. I would have take them off of my pitney. After me see little baby and I say, oh, little chain and bangle them cutie. You remember Kandy? When I say bad to that little chain and see they know are done by.
would say you make she laugh till she want to piss up herself.
When
With a little vice over. I comment them married.
But Pussy was that she trained me. So I mean they got have like a vibe. But I told people right now today I forgot to take off the chain and bang there because I love them. I just say them nice for the baby I know. We find out see I done by them. But down have little taste because they good.
No, sir, diary people them love the voiceover video bad.
I'm not talking about voiceover. This is sweet over here, sir. Yes, sir, it's that. I come to talk, I come to say a lot of things about it. Sir, what would this world be without people business? God. Tanya run go for your fake page and come talk up things them all night, yeah. Take my phone. No, so my phone.
No, come girl. Majority of people them a say you.
I have work right
Dirty
now.
down too long.
Call out at work. I have to call out at work because when me hear this, I go down, I say, I have blood clot. But some could have 10 deaths in my family. I still got me I press my live. Oh, no.
In the church while funeral service at keep. Because you got to go to the funeral.
Tanya, I can't talk to say, I forgot Jamaica to go watch funeral. And then until her husband said she go down there for funeral and have young boy up in a Pegasus a wine pan in khaki brim. Tanya come talk about things. Tanya come
I lie. God never get no man. Tanya did.
Well, Dan is here.
Blood clot and routine.
Dan is here to blood clot. It's showing out here. Blood clot.
God no more by your other day. You
Murder.
God black me. Well, we have a white flag.
But I know.
Murder.
No,
There we wave our white flag.
oh, good.
Flag it up the diary.
The people them want the people
The people them want down and Tanya to come on live, come cause, but it's not gonna happen. Come and call down and call Tanya and the argument done.
You don't
So
care where you want to Destiny.
All who want Tanya and Dan, nah, in an it. She don't want it.
Allah ya tell and
Think so. Never that, not them two there. On. Try make.
I will never tell Dan say I'll find it out herself.
Tanya and Black we are roping like how Dan roping.
Me call Tanya, me love. And me call Dan, me love. I'm not look for uno.
Dan,
And me know, me know.
Dan and
everything.
You don't know nothing.
Oh,
what Tina done? Oh, just the nail pin at the big saw.
And that me say, and that me say, woman. And that me say, you fi come out like you two now. You fi come out there. And you there, we are blood clot.
Me not stop, come out of the blood clot.
Woman, come out there, man.
Ugly like under your why? Ugly like under your look in your mirror, you see ugly boy. Ugly like your teeth. Ugly like the wig them where you throw up on your head.
Ugly like the pussy
where you know blood clot have.
My phone
ugly like the pussy where you know have dirty boy. I need
your
what
big
you
ass thing of blood clot.
Think of dirty.
Move your big ass.
Me no walk out where people clothes. Me no
your body a big dirty running woman.
clot,
Granny blood clot, bashing. Batman granny.